Hey Roses, it's Olena from Olena Roseanne, and today I'm bringing you my October BoxyCharm. I have the card here. Oh, before we even get to that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you've been here a few times, or even this is your first time, I would love for you to join my rose garden. So consider subscribing and make sure you hit the notification bell if you do. For this month's BoxyCharm, what is this? Okay, it's just telling about the new options. There's several new options available for BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full products. But now they're giving charmers the choice of choosing 1 or 2 items. First item I have here, because you know this is just right here in my face, so of course I'm going to open this first. This is, it says, Marvelous Mauves from Dose of Colors. And you guys, I have nothing from Dose of Colors. I am brand new. Ooh. Just looking at the back of it and the colors. It comes in a little box. I love the color. It reminds me of a rose gold color. Let me pull it. Ooh. I like the palette. It's cute. It tells you the name of each color included in this particular palette, and also that this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. Very good. Let me open it up. Ooh. It comes with a mirror. And then the colors and a double-sided brush. Love new brushes. Let's take a look at that. So the colors we have here is Wine Stain, and that's from this end. So that's Wine Stain, Spaced Out, Wishy Washy, Rosy, and Fluffy. Will I be using this? Actually, there's a makeup look that I need some pinks for. Using this palette for that. The Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette retails for $32. The palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. I don't really agree with the boldness and vibrance part because I don't know how vibrant it's going to be on my skin. And bold, this is not what I consider bold. This is pretty much, to me, a nude palette. So let me do a few swatches here. Let's see. Very powdery, especially the lightest color. Make sure you guys can see that. Let's hope you guys can see that. So yeah, vibrant, no, not for me. Next item I have here is from Tarte. Tarte's Pro Glow. Okay. The only thing I have from Tarte is I finally broke down, was it last year and a half ago, and bought the Tarte Shape Tape. The Tarte Shape Tape in dark, and I mean, it's okay. So this is a liquid highlighter, and this particular liquid highlighter here, it says glow like a goddess with a creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. It says it's a hybrid gel cream, oil free. You can mix it with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. It's infused with rose water. I do like that. And it comes in this. So let's put a little bit on my hand. Okay, and it comes out very creamy. I was worried about being too watered down. A little goes a very, very long way. Will I be using this? Yeah, I believe I will. From Iconic London, a lip plumping gloss. Now you guys, every time I see something about lip plumping, I'm like, okay, I don't need any help plumping my lips. Not at all. So, I don't know. I'm really not a fan of lip plumping anything because I don't need that. I don't need that in my life. I just really don't. So, okay, that was okay. An eyeliner. Now the tip of it, you guys, looks like a baby blue. I don't know, y'all. Baby blue is really not a color I wear on my eyes at all. And yes, this is a baby blue. So, let's try it. So it definitely shows up. I could see possibly have this as a wing liner on top to make a bold statement. Wears for 24 hours. Let's see here. Highly pigmented, easy glide pencil. I do agree with that. It glided right on, and it clearly is highly pigmented. Perfect to create a full lash line or playful, colorful look that lasts all day. And it says they come in 2 gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. Why they chose blue, I don't know. The baby blue. Charcoal black, it would have been nice to get that, but hey. Okay, and that retails for $16. I'd be using that maybe. That's a maybe on that. And the last item I have here is from Touch of Soul. Love the packaging on that. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Let me open this up. I thought I smelled something. Oh, maybe that's just me. Ooh, that's the packaging. And what is this? Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Okay, let's say that again. Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. That's a long title. It says the hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Retails for $32. So, ultra hydrating priming skin balm. So, is this supposed to be a primer too, or let's open it? Okay. Where do we open it? Okay, I guess you open it like that. Okay. And lift this part up here. Oh, okay, so you don't get as much product as you think you're going to get. It has a slight smell. It smells good. It's really soft. Clearly that's a cream. And reading on here it says Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm Primer in brackets. Okay, so it's moisturizing primer, I take it. It almost reminds me of moisturizer by itself. But if you can use it to prime too, we'll try it. I'll be using that too. So that's everything I have for the October BoxyCharm, you guys. Let me know if you received any of these items in your BoxyCharm, or if you're interested in getting BoxyCharm. I will leave the information below in the description box in case you are interested. And that's it for me. So tell me what you guys think. Tell me, would you wear any of these colors? This was interesting. Just the color choices was really interesting. Okay, well, that's it for now, you guys. I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.